everyone, welcome to our general knowledge series. So in this today's video we are going to learn about general knowledge, also it known as GK. If you want to become more smarter, or else if you want to become more informed, or else you want to confident in your daily life, then this series is for you. So without any delay we will start the session. Okay, so this is the roadmap of the GK series. Okay, so in this video we will understand what GK really means. Also, we will be learn about the different GK subjects like geography, history, science, current affairs, and etc. Okay, so we will also discover why GK is important, and then how it helps in schools, career, and in daily life. Okay, so why GK matters? So what's the purpose of learning GK? So have you ever been in a conversation when everyone was discussing about the current affairs, or else sports, or else some world facts? Okay, people with a great general knowledge can participate confidently in such discussions, right? Yes. So GK help us stay informed about the world. Okay, it improves the communication skills. Also, it helps to understand different topics, right? Yes. So how this helps means for student it helps in exams, quiz competitions, and etc. For professionals and all, it helps in interviews or some discussions in workplace. So, in everyday life, GK help us understand news, world events, or some different cultures and etc. Right? So, okay. So, first of all, we are going to see what is general knowledge. Okay. So, exactly. What does general knowledge means? It's like the information and understanding we have about the world around us. Okay, it's nothing but it's the understanding, or else it's like a information we have about the world around us. Okay, it includes facts, ideas, knowledge from different subjects. Okay, so GK is not about memorizing thousands of facts. Instead, it is about staying curious, learning new things, also understanding the world better. Okay, also it help us to make smart decisions and have meaningful conversation in the workplace communications. Okay, so this is how the GK having the complete overview. Okay, GK is nothing but it's a foundation of smart conversation, and then it mainly used to take confident decisions in our daily life. Okay, so and then we are going to see types of general knowledge. So general knowledge covers many different subjects. That means let's look at the six major categories. Okay, geography teaches about countries, capitals, continents, and then mountains likewise. Okay, and then history, we already know what history is, right? It's like the famous leader from the past, events, civilizations, and so on, right? Science means it includes biology, physics, chemistry, and so on, right? Sports cover the games, athletes, and then some of them. Current affairs is also a GK subject. Okay, it includes the language, music, art, and customs around the world. Okay, together these subjects these are the major foundation of the general knowledge. Okay, so now we are going to see why GK is important in this society. Okay, so GK offers many benefits. First, it will improve awareness by helping us understanding what is happening around us. Okay, first it will improve awareness and by helping to understand what is happening around us. Second, it builds the confidence because we can participate in conversation with useful informations. Okay, so third, it enhances the communication. That means it gives us interesting topics to discuss with others. Okay, finally, GK is very important for competitive exams, quizzes, and interviews. Okay, so learning GK regularly can make a biggest difference in both education as well as in career success. Okay, so next we are going to see GK in daily life. Okay, did you know that we use general knowledge every day? When we read a newspaper, or else when you are watching the news, we will use GK, right? Yes, when you watch sports, or else you understand the teams and the players, we use GK, right? When we travel, or else we use maps, right? That time also we use the geography knowledge. When we follow the international events, we understand how countries and peoples are connected. So GK is not only for exam, it's part of your daily life. Okay, and then we are going to see benefits for students. Okay, how students get benefit by learning the GK. For students, GK is extremely valuable. That means it helps connect classroom learning with real-time situations. That means regularly GK practice improves memory as well as the critical thinking skills. Okay, students with good GK often perform better in school quizzes as well as competitions and all. Okay, so and then many entrance exams and many scholarship tests also include GK questions only. Okay, that's why developing GK yearly is very beneficial. Okay, so and then you have to see how it shows benefits in your career. Okay, so like general knowledge is also important for career growth as well. Okay, during interviews, employee often ask questions related to current affairs, right? Good GK help you to participate confidently in group discussions and all. Also, it improves the professional communication and help you to express your ideas clearly. Okay, so people with a strong GK often make better decisions in both work and life. Okay, so and also I am saying some of the fun GK facts. This is quite interesting. Okay, now let's look at some amazing fact. Did you know that honey never spoils? Scientists have discovered honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that is still edible after thousands of years. Okay, also the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on earth, right? Yes. Also the Antarctica is the coolest continent in the world with the extremely low temperatures. Also the earth is currently the only known planet confirmed to support life. Amazing, isn't? Yes. So this is a quiz time. Now it's time to test your knowledge. So you will go to answer these 5 questions I already written. You will check whether you know the answers or not. Okay. So in our next video we will learn about countries and capitals of the world. Okay. So I hope you understand. Something in this video. I hope you learned something new about this GK today. So thank you guys. Keep learning, keep growing with Life Changes Academy. Thank you.